In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a Flyadeal ticket. If you've ever found yourself puzzled by the process of booking a flight online, don't worry, you're not alone. We're here to walk you through every step so you can book your next flight with Flyadeal confidently. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the official Flyadeal website. Simply type in the URL or find them through a quick online search. Once you're on their homepage, the next thing you'll need to do is look for the flight search section. Here, you'll start by selecting the type of trip you're planning. Is it a one-way ticket, a return journey, or are you planning multiple stops along the way? Flyadeal has options to accommodate your needs. Now, let's move on to entering your travel details. You'll need to specify your origin and destination cities. After that, it's important to select the dates of your travel. If you're planning a round trip, make sure to choose both the departure and return dates. Next up is specifying how many passengers will be traveling, including adults, children, and infants. If you've been lucky enough to snag a promo code, this is the time to enter it. Once all the details are carefully filled in, go ahead and click the search button. This will show you a list of available flights. As you browse through the search results, take your time and choose a flight option that aligns best with your schedule and budget. Different flight times and fare options will be at your disposal, so analyze them thoroughly before making a decision. With your chosen flight in mind, it's now time to enter the passenger details. Make sure the full name matches what's on your passport or ID for a smooth travel experience. You'll also be required to fill in the date of birth, and if it's an international flight, you'll need to input nationality and passport details. Contact details like your email and phone number are crucial, as this is how the airline will send you your booking confirmation and any updates. When it comes to payment, have your credit or debit card ready. You'll follow the prompts to enter your payment information securely. Double check that all your inputs are correct before proceeding with the payment. Finally, once your transaction is successfully completed, you'll receive a booking confirmation. This will usually be sent to your email, so ensure you've provided the correct contact details. The confirmation will have your itinerary and booking details for your reference and for check-in on the day of your flight. And that's it! You've successfully booked a Flyadeal ticket. We hope this guide has made the process a little clearer and less daunting. Safe travels on your upcoming journey.